Well, welcome to 2022. In the farm, sometimes you just gotta start where you start. It's bill and tax time. Gotta kind of get this going. So I just kind of dump out the piles and then we start organizing out. This is a reality, folks. It has to be done. There's no good way around it. We gotta hit the ground running, and that's what we're gonna do today. So today's whole job is taxes, 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 and taxes. Well, we're about an hour into it, and we've progressed. Our pile is slowly shrinking of all the invoices throughout the year for the farm and things that we've paid. And our pile for what gets digitized in certain areas and other areas not, and gets sent to the accountants for the farm, is coming to life. We're doing a great job here putting this all together. Soon we'll be able to pull out all the medical, we'll be able to pull out all the Catholic school, we'll be able to separate the business checking and all the farm expenses out from the personal. And then the next process is putting it into electronic tax planner and waiting for all the W forms to come. And that process takes several weeks. But for those that think that, homesteading is not, one of those paperwork kind of deals where it's just all hands-on outside, that's not the case. Today it's dumping about 8 inches of snow on us. It's blowing pretty good out here on the farmstead. You don't even see an animal out. Goats and horses are all in. Even the chickens haven't come outside in this kind of weather. So it's a good day to start the process. So we're pounding it out here. Well, we're about 3.5 hours into it, and the pile has gotten dramatically smaller out there by Tabitha there. And we're getting it organized up here. And of course, we started over there, the shredding, the dreaded shredding. But it's getting done, folks. Here we are about 4 hours into it, folks, and this is what's left of the pile. So here you got personal stuff, expenditures, receipts, stuff like that. You've got all the business stuff ready to go into our tax planner for the year for the farm and homestead. This has got some of our write-offs, some of our rent on it. It's certainly got all our fees for different things like co-op and fertilizers and stuff. A lot of this gets put into the program of QuickBooks. Once we get it into the QuickBooks program, everything then is trackable, and from there it goes into the tax planner and off to the accountant team. Back it all up, get it off site, whichever way you choose. So the room is now cleaned out, and this is one of the tasks of a homesteader or a farmer. I mean, you got to take, you gotta take your civic duty and pay your tax, but also try to get your breaks where you can and see what you can save money on. Welcome to taxation of 2021. But I just wanted to put this out there. A lot of people think that on the farmstead, when it's blowing and snowing out, which it's finally starting to slow down out there, which is good. It's nice to see that we just sit in the house and take it easy. Well, we do sometimes, but there are other times where you shred some paper like they're doing way out there by the Christmas tree, and you condense your pile down and you get ready for tax season. Appreciate you watching and liking. This is just part of the reality of running a farm, folks. Thanks.